quick and simple. So all these numbers up here, let me tell you what they mean. 129, that's the number of points possible. Some of you have different notations, but this 10 out of 10 business, that relates to whether or not your calculations were correct on part one. This is part one of the analysis. If you got everything right, including number 10 and number 11, then you got 10 out of 10. And then the 2 out of 2 refers to these. If all of these data are coherent and they match with this drag coefficient, and the same thing here, it all matches with that drag coefficient, then you got 2 out of 2. So those two things go together. And in some cases I bundled those and I multiplied them by 3 because each of these is going to be weighted 3 times. So these 10 and those 2 together account for 36 points. 30 for this, 6 for this. The 57 out of 57, that's the snapshots. That's all this stuff. So as I'm going through this, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The ones that are a little more, very first one might be 8 because it's got thrust. Nope, second one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So those should add up to 57. And they're not weighted because 57 is already a lot. And then the final 12 out of 12, that is the graphs. This one's worth 3 points. This one's worth 4 points. This one's worth 5 points. And that's 12 points. But to make that count a little bit more, I multiplied that by 3. So 36 points from the graphs, 36 points from the kind of the part one calculations and the drag coefficient calculations, and then 57 points for the snapshots should add up to 100.